Hiba ba mo asa ang nindot kitambayan karon sa Mandaue?
Sus na kami karon sa North Park. Yeah, dayon namin tilawan diri na bagong cafe.
Para ni sa mga sweet nga couple, pwede po sa mga single para dili mo bitter.
Ako i-check out karon ang
Candiez Cafe.
Alay, ato na lang.
Sinado mo lagi sa dire. So nga the best mo gining Candiez Cafe. Unsa mo gid ang sekreto aning Ma'am Candy? So unsa may naka-inspire nimo para mabuhat ning kumpanya mo?
Okay, what makes me inspire is this is my dream cafe. Good. That's it.
So pag bata mo gid mo na dream good?
Yes, since I love baking my good. That's my passion.
Muna nindot kayo mga product diri muna lami kayo kay one of them from the heart you kayo. With love you kayo mga brand. Nya ma'am, daghan kay mga pautala sa mga tao di ba sa Candiez Cafe ba? Unsa man ginakalahi sa imong cafe sa ubang cafe?
Okay. Candiez Cafe is the first and only Christian cafe here in Mandaue City, Cebu.
So kung musulod mo diri na diri manindot kayo mga kanta ng mga Christian song.
Yeah.
Amen. Ay, hallelujah dai. Unsa man ma-recommend nimo sila mga best sellers mo ba?
Okay. Aside from hot drinks, hot coffees, we have bestseller din mo is the white chocolate mocha. Second, ang food is the pesto pork chop, carbonara.
Wala, lami na.
Yeah, and a must-try Hungarian sandwich.
Yan para nimo ma'am, kanang magdali og mga ani diri ma'am, kanang mo-chill lang. Unsa man nimo ma-offer nila nga drinks sila?
Strawberry smoothies.
Na, lami na.
Blueberry smoothies with yogurt. Wow.
Na may blueberry ma'am?
Yes, of course.
Order! Lagi niya akong blueberry ma'am.
Of course, later.
Oh, how about desserts ma'am? Mga treats niyo, mga pastries. May recommend mo sa mga mag-chill diri?
Okay, you should try our red velvet and the chocolate fudge brownies.
Wala, lamig kayo na. Suwain ninyo.
So there is a Candiez Cafe. You can have breakfast, lunch, even you have pasta. They also serve pasta and sandwiches. Plus, now it's like a whole lineup of drinks that includes hot teas, frappes, hot coffee, even non-coffee na freeze. Plus, kung humanin yung kaon to cap your meal, they also have a variety of desserts like red velvet, chocolate fudge, and many more. It's a complete meal here, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna be happy here if you're a foodie.
Sagwas, best spicy chorizo or
walnut brownie.
walnut brownies.
Na-impress ko sa ilang strawberry smoothie kay dagan kay serving for only 145 pesos. So dagan jud kaayo. So love to sawa jud kay all the way down kay strawberry gyapon ang natilawan. So sa food is the bolognese pasta atong panawang carbonara which is very delightful. Lami jud kaayo. Sa dessert is kaning walnut brownie which is kanang na jud siya aftertaste once you try it.
What I really like was the carbonara and the Cebu's best spicy chorizo. Everything else is great pero kato yung duha ang super great. So, dessert ay ganahan ko atong fudge brownie. Fudge brownie and the corn muffin. And lami sa ilahang white chocolate mocha na frap.
Corn muffin. Nothing else niya. Java chip.
Yeah. Ilang strawberry, ilang blueberry, ilang green matcha latte, o gatong ilang green matcha frap.
I enjoy it today because nas like breakfast meals, that's like pork chops na awesome sad, and of course ilang kape o ilang desserts Kompleto ang line-up, so malingaw yung kadiri. So,
I'm inviting you all to come visit, chill, relax. Very nice ambience here in Candiez Cafe, located at North Park Building here in Mandaue.
I like. Punta na ba yun? Ano po?
Sabi Clark!
Ew!